You're tired of waking up every day building someone else's dream. You're seeing people making money online, working from home, working from anywhere, traveling, and you can't help but wonder, how are they doing it? You've tried side hustles before, but most either take too long or cost too much to start. The truth is, in 2025, affiliate marketing has quietly become one of the simplest ways to build real income online, even if you have zero experience and zero followers. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to start from scratch, pick the right products, and make your first commissions, all without quitting your job or spending thousands on ads. Step 1 is choosing the right product. This is where most people are either setting themselves up for success or failure before they've even begun. Affiliate marketing works like this. You partner with a company that already has a proven product that you can promote. You don't have to handle customer service, inventory, stock fulfillment. You simply recommend the product through using a link. And when someone buys from your link, you earn commission. Simple, right? But here's the thing, not all products are equal. You get low ticket products and high ticket products. You want to choose a high ticket product that at least pays you between $500 and $1,000 per sell. This helps a lot because you don't even need a lot of followers because only one sell can make you $1,000. For instance, if you have 20 followers and only one person buys from you, you've already made $1,000. Just remember, what you promote becomes your brand. So instead of chasing random offers, choose a product that you really believe in. Something that genuinely helps people. Happy customers? Happy you, happy business. Low ticket products is like an ebook, templates, digital planners. High ticket products are like an e-learning course, workshops. If I have to take the fitness industry as an example, a meal planner is like a low ticket product, but a full-on program including an eating plan, an exercise plan, and recipes that has given other people great results, that's a high ticket product. The bigger the transformation, the bigger the amount to charge for the product. I personally love high ticket products because it physically changes someone's life. It gives me purpose and fulfillment, knowing that I'm actually selling something to someone that will transform their life. One of the mistakes affiliate marketers make is just choosing any product because it pays high commissions. That's not the way to build a long-term business. Remember, you're putting yourself out there, you're building a brand. Some will just start posting and say, buy from me, with no real story behind it. The best way is to promote something that you truly believe in so that you have a story that you can tell. For instance, when I started with affiliate marketing, I chose a digital product that taught people how to make money online because I was struggling financially and I wanted a way to work smarter, not harder. So my story became part of me selling the product. Another mistake is trying to sell to everybody. Not everyone's going to buy from you, and that is okay. You need to have your niche, the people that you are talking to, who's got a problem that your product will solve. You want to become known for helping people solve a specific problem. Choosing the right product gives you confidence. You can't sell something you don't believe in. People notice that type of energy, and they can feel that energy through a screen. Some of the niches that work extremely well and it's very profitable is health, wealth, and relationships. Make sure that the product that you sell comes with amazing customer support, comes with training material that you can use, and training to help you scale. If you think choosing the right product is all you need to start making money online, just wait until you hear about the next step. This one is the real game changer. Once you've chosen a product, the next step is building a system. And this is the part where most people get very overwhelmed. But here's the truth, you don't even need a complicated website or expensive software. All you need is a simple funnel, a landing page where you can capture leads so that people can learn more about the product, and a few automated emails to build that know, like, and trust. Because people buy from people they know, like, and trust. So let your automation do the heavy lifting for you and work for you online 24/7. Think of your funnel as the digital storefront that's open 24/7, running everything for you. Tools like System.io and the digital magnetic system has everything built for you. Pre-written emails, funnels, sales pages, landing pages, everything. You literally just plug in your link, personalize it, and start. Think of this funnel as your automated machine. First, your audience will come to your landing page. They're going to enter their email address. Your system is going to collect these emails and send automated emails to them to build on that know, like, and trust. We call it a buyer's journey. Firstly, they discover you on social media. They log in to get more information. They start getting emails from you. They start building that know, like, and trust until they come to a stage where they are ready to either buy or opt out. Your system is handling that 24/7, so you can literally make sales in your sleep. It's like having a sales team. The biggest mistake some people make is sending their audience straight to their sales affiliate link. Now, you might make 1 or 2 sales, but you're losing the chance to get potential repeat customers. And also, think about it. Do you buy every time you see someone for the first time? Probably not. That's what the funnel helps you with. Rather, send them directly to your landing page where they can opt in with their email address. From there on, the sales process will start. This way, if life gets busy and they were planning to buy, they will get emails from you reminding them of the solution that you offer. The reason building an email list is so important is you can lose your social media account any day. Social media doesn't belong to you, but your email list does. Another mistake is overcomplicating the system. You don't need 15 pages. You just need one landing page, one super awesome sales page, and a checkout. Now, this is the step that separates hobbyists from entrepreneurs. Without a system, you are relying on luck. With a system, you're relying on strategy. A good funnel allows you to automate your sales process so that you don't have to go and chase customers, build relationships through email marketing, and turn one-time buyers into repeat customers. And here's a bonus tip. Test your own system. Go to your landing page, enter your email, and follow the process. Now, before I get into the next step, which will help you go from simply earning commissions to truly building a digital business, make sure to hit that subscribe button if you want more tutorials to start and grow your income online. So this step is driving consistent traffic to your funnel. You can have the best product or service even in the whole world, but if no one knows about it, it doesn't really matter. Step 3 is all about getting eyeballs on your offer consistently. So there are two types of traffic: free traffic and paid traffic. Free traffic is using social media like TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. Paid traffic is from ads you run once you're ready to scale. As a beginner, I would start with free traffic, and here's why. When you first start, you talk about what you are learning, people can see your growth, and that builds trust and skill. Also, you're going to know what resonates with your audience. I've seen a lot of people, they will get started, they will click that promote button, run paid ads, and wonder why they're not making sales. It's because they never knew if their message hit home. As you get better every time, your organic traffic will lead to sales. And once you start getting consistent income on your organic traffic, that's the time that you can scale. Because now you know your messaging is working, it's landing with your perfect customer. And how would you have known if you didn't test it first? When I got started in digital and affiliate marketing, people were following my journey, and I was just sharing my results, sharing my growth. I was building the know, like, and trust just by showing them what I was busy doing. This kept it real and authentic. One of the mistakes a lot of people make is trying to be perfect. They want to look a certain way, show up like an influencer, where people don't buy into that. People want real. Just like today, I'm doing a simple YouTube video with my phone. You don't need any fancy skills, a fancy studio, or look a certain way to make a lot of money online. You just need to be someone that people can relate with, someone that's real, authentic, and honest. Another mistake is posting content that's all about you instead of about them. Always remember, people don't really care about what you sell until they can see how it helps them. Lead with value and then connect your product as a solution. Traffic is literally the heartbeat of your business. Without it, even the best funnel can't breathe. But when you master this and you drive consistent traffic to your funnel, that's where the magic happens. Here are a few quick tips. Post consistently. I would start with 3 times a day, short 5 to 7 second reels. The more you post, the more your content is out there, and the more you grow and get better with your content. Study what works. Go and follow 5 to 10 people in your niche that are doing very well. Go see what works for them and try to model the same. Make sure you end every piece of content with a CTA, which is a call to action. This is showing them the next step that they need to do. People want to be told what to do. Tell them, go to the link in my bio and grab your free guide. Just one piece of content can literally change your business. And that's just the foundation. Because once you combine these 3 steps, you'll have the exact blueprint to build a successful digital business online. It can literally change you and your family's life. Because you're not going to be in survival mode anymore, you're going to be making money in your sleep. If you want to skip the trial and error and plug into a fully done for you system that already has products, funnels, and tools ready, check out my digital magnetic system. The same system that helped me build a multi-6-figure business online, working a couple of hours a day as a stay-at-home mom. Just simply plug in, follow the steps, and start building your income the right way. Thanks for watching, and remember, the only difference between people still dreaming about freedom and those living it is taking action.